Welcome back to Children Knowledge Hub. Today, we are exploring one of nature's most beautiful light tricks, the rainbow. From how it forms to the amazing science hidden inside its colors, we'll uncover facts you might have never heard before. Let's step into the sunlight and begin. A rainbow is one of nature's quiet wonders, a moment when light and water work together to paint the sky. It appears without warning, often after a passing rain, when the clouds begin to drift apart and sunlight slips through the gaps. The sky turns into a canvas, and the rainbow becomes a soft, curved bridge of color stretching from one horizon to the other. Its beauty feels natural yet surprising, like a gentle gift from the weather. A rainbow forms when sunlight passes through tiny droplets of water in the air. Each droplet acts like a miniature glass prism. It bends the sunlight, separates it into colors, and sends those colors back toward us. Though it looks like a simple arc, a rainbow is actually a full circle of light. We usually see only half of it because the ground blocks the rest. From an aeroplane, however, a rainbow can appear as a glowing ring, floating like a halo in the air. The colors of a rainbow always appear in the same order: red, orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo, and violet. Each one has its place because every color bends at a slightly different angle. Red takes the outer curve because it bends the least, while violet bends the most and settles on the inner edge. This natural arrangement creates a smooth flow of color that feels both gentle and precise. Even though we see the same pattern each time, the beauty never fades. One of the most interesting things about a rainbow is that no two people ever see the exact same one. A rainbow isn't a solid object. It depends entirely on the angle between the sun, the water droplets, and your eyes. Move even a little, and the rainbow shifts with you. The colors you see are created just for your position, which makes every rainbow a personal moment with the sky. Sometimes, if the conditions are exactly right, a second rainbow appears above the main one. This double rainbow is fainter and has its colors reversed. It feels almost like the sky is whispering a quieter, softer version of the first rainbow. Even more rarely, a moonbow appears at night, made not from sunlight but from moonlight. Moonbows are pale and subtle, but they carry a quiet magic of their own. Across cultures and centuries, rainbows have inspired stories, symbols, and imagination. Some see them as signs of hope, others as paths between worlds, and many simply enjoy them for their gentle beauty. Science explains how they form, yet the feeling they create often goes beyond explanation. A rainbow reminds us that the world still has moments of calm color waiting behind storms, ready to shine when light and water meet at just the right time. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed learning about rainbows and the surprising science behind their colors. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, share, and subscribe to Children Knowledge Hub for more clear and interesting explanations. Don't forget to hit the bell icon so you never miss our next video. See you again soon.